Hello, everyone, and welcome from Extraordinary Adventures. My name is Laura.
And I'm Scott.
And we are on board the Celebrity Equinox, and we wanted to give you a room tour of our room. We are in a Category V1 Prime Ocean Veranda, which is another way to say a balcony. But before we actually get into the room, I just wanted to explain these doors right here. So these two rooms can be considered connecting balconies. These two doors can close. This one key card here will be able to access both rooms, and you can leave both of these doors unlocked. That way it becomes one big large room. So let's go ahead and enter our room now.
Yeah, the traditional style would be to have a door somewhere behind Laura.
Right.
That would connect the two, but they don't do that here.
Hey everyone, this is Laura here from Extraordinary Adventures, your cruise experts. Are you looking to book a cruise? Do you have questions? Are you overwhelmed? We are here to help. We don't charge a fee to book and manage your cruise. Plus, if you do book with us, we offer expert planning advice. Please do reach out to us. We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure.
In case you all don't know, Laura and I are here for our vow renewal cruise with a bunch of friends, 24 friends, and we're having a little party.
We're having a big party.
A big party.
Aha.
So a little bit old school, as you can tell. It's got the old switches, no computer console.
No.
Temperature's been really good, so if you people who like really cold bedrooms to sleep in,
Right.
it's been really cold.
And soundproofing has been
Very
excellent
good, yeah.
too.
And we're right near the elevators.
Yeah, can't hear neighbors really at all. It's been great. So first, this room is 192 square feet. It has a 54 square foot balcony, which you'll see it's a very nice sized balcony. But as soon as you walk in, you have a full length mirror right here. The bathroom is right there. We'll get to that in a second. But we have our closet space right here. I'm going to say it's a little bit challenging because I sleep on this side of the bed, and if I'm getting ready, it's been challenging for Scott to like come over and get clothing too, because it's just so close to the bed. I wish there was some more space, but it is what it is. Celebrity has provided robes for us to wear. There's also an umbrella if it's raining and you have an excursion, and then on either side of the bed, there are no electrical sockets. So if you need to charge, we recommend bringing an extension cord or something to be able to charge all of your devices up there. And there is so much storage. There's storage up here. There's this closet storage as well. And then we'll show some additional storage. Of course, you put your luggage down below underneath your bed. Do you want to move into the bathroom now? Okay. So I want to show you the bathroom, and what I do like about the bathroom is that at night, if you have the light off, there's a light right there which acts as a night light, so you don't stub your toe or anything like that. There's also is a step down, and we have hit our toe often, so just be aware of that too. Coming in, because the room is a little bit small, I'm going to step in the shower so Scott can get in here too. But the door, the shower does have doors as opposed to a shower curtain, which is excellent. Our one big ding is the lack of a wand in the shower. The pressure has been okay. Temperature's been good. It's just we wish that we had a detachable wand there. They do have grips in case there's inclement weather and you can hold on. And then lots more storage again. There's storage here. There's storage here, here, this side, whoop, down here. Storage everywhere. One small sink. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but overall, I don't really have a lot of complaints about it. Do you have any complaints?
Nope.
Nope.
It's been good.
Okay. So continuing on.
As I always point out, I'm 6 feet tall, and the shower was fine.
Oh, good.
When I get to my feet, I open the door a little bit to get my head out.
Yeah.
But beyond that, it's been a good size shower. Good size, for lack of a better word, pooper. Plenty of room to do your stuff.
So in this area, we have some drawers. We have the safe here, which it's been functioning.
You're moving too fast.
Oh.
Safe.
Safe. My bad.
Thank you. That's all. It's good.
That's it. All right. You have a refrigerator here with a stocked mini bar. I do want to mention that even if you have the all-included package, the items in the mini bar are not included in the all-included package. So don't drink these expecting to not get a bill. You will get a bill. One thing I do want to mention for families with kids, this would come down at night and make a bunk bed. So I did want to mention that right there.
And that becomes another bed.
Yes.
So you can sleep 4.
Sleeps 4. You have a small desk right here. And then the 2 electrical sockets are on this side right here. And get a shot of our cake. We had the vow renewal yesterday, so that's the cake, the top layer, the first tier. And then let's go outside. Perfect.
So there's a reason that this balcony is so deep. We have a
hump balcony,
which is really good.
Yes.
So not only are you centrally located, you also get
a hump balcony.
Which is
yes. So the hump,
air conditioning
for those of you who don't know what the hump is, it's part of the ship that juts out from the rest of the ship. So you have a larger balcony. Can you see? Well,
yeah, not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
It curves in. So, and the only thing I wish that on this particular balcony, I wish we had some footstools so you could kick out and have like a proper like
lounge chair,
lounger, but we don't have it. But other than that, I think the balcony's excellent. It is definitely showing a little bit signs of wear and tear, aging. It was last refurbished in 2019. So it looks like it's at least this part is ready to be refurbished again. So I'm sure it's going to go into dry dock any minute now. But
most of the ship itself, I remember on day 1 we made a comment about that. But as I've noticed over this 6 days, I don't see it elsewhere. I just see it here.
Yeah, maybe they just haven't gotten to it.
Yeah.
I don't know. But any final thoughts, Scott, on the room?
No, it's been a good room. I mean, you can see the styling is a little dated. It was originally built in 2009.
Yes.
So it's a little bit of the older stylings as opposed to the Edge class or beyond that we were on. No, for 192, I say it does feel a little small.
It does, a little bit small, just a smidge.
But unlike that Odyssey of the Seas one where Laura showed you that she could flat palm the ceiling.
I can't touch it.
She can't even touch it.
So
I don't know what you did there, Odyssey, but those are some tiny short rooms.
Yes. So with that, I hope you liked our video. If you did, please like and subscribe with the notification bell on. That lets us know that we're doing something right. We should keep doing what we're doing. And with that, I thank you all very much. Bye for now.
Bye, guys.